Alright, so I just bought this onigiri at a family mart, a konbini, in Japan, and I noticed that when I was, you know, paying for it, you're supposed to say how you're gonna pay after they tell you, like, the amount. I said, credit card de onegaishimasu, but it's easier to say kado de onegaishimasu. But the point of this video was to just mention that he didn't hear me the first time I said it, and the way I said it was very like low and quiet. And I think that's because I have this fear of like saying it wrong and saying it kind of like maybe with an accent or like in a way where they know I'm a foreigner and all that stuff. Just a whole bunch of like insecure thoughts related and nervousness related to just speaking a different language in a foreign country. But at this point, I've stayed in Japan for long periods of time, and I've said the same things for a long time as well. Like, I know how to say kado de onegaishimasu in a bit more of a brighter and then more like hearable, audible way, but I still have this like weird fear inside of me for things I already know how to say. Same with like, actually my girlfriend asked me to get some water. It was like this 2-liter bottle of water, if I can grab it, that was free because we had like a ticket. And then I'm totally ripping this bag, I'm not gonna grab it anymore. But it was free, and I had to like talk to someone to get it, or they were like showing me how to work the station, and all the instructions were in Japanese. And a part of me was thinking maybe I should say that I can't really understand or speak too much Japanese. But when she started talking, I actually could understand like a good amount of it. So I'm glad I didn't say that, and I'm glad that I just kind of just tried, So this nervousness and fear of me not trying enough and me not like actually speaking to my fullest ability, I need to let go of it. And that's what I'm declaring in this video, is just to mentally prepare myself for the future and just like more interactions with Japanese people, especially like people who are at restaurants or working. The phrases I already know how to say, I should just say them clearer and not be so nervous about it. So the next time I'm going to really try my best to speak clearly and also more brightly. I don't know why, like when I'm scared or when I have that nervousness, I speak so quiet that I almost feel like I'm sounding rude, instead of like when I talk in English, I know what I'm saying, I feel more confident. It's like usually I speak in a bit of a brighter tone. So I don't know, it's interesting. But that's it for this one. That's something I just experienced, and I want to change that, so that's what I'm gonna do.